Windows 7 and Windows Vista and Windows 10. Well, Windows 7 was at least a big hit, and Windows Vista was the start of that. And Aero Glass, that's what we all like. Well, I like it, and I know a lot of people else do like it. And so, Windows 10 got rid of that, and at least I didn't like that. I lived with it until I found a solution. These are two solutions that I found to make your Windows 10 look closer to Windows 7, since that's one of my favorite and preferred things. So here's my first program. Is basically, link will be in the description, but what this does is it makes your taskbar look like this. This kind of looks like Windows 7. It's super close. I even got the start button and this. It looks the same. Close enough though, but it's how I personalized it, and you can personalize it any way you want. So what I did was I downloaded this, link in the description, and I did free trial so far because I want to make sure it works perfect, and so far I'm liking it. I really like it. You can pay for it. I say it's worth it. You know how they do it though, because it's not one-time buy for all computers. So this is what I didn't really like, but I'm thinking about buying the 2 PCs because I do have 2, at least that I use a lot. So I guess you would have to create another account if you're doing more than 3. So that would be a bummer if you're doing a lot of computers. So what I did was I did the free trial. So what you would do is you hit free trial. You click this, and when it downloads, it will open up this. This is what you'll see. Well, you'll see this. So what you can do is, so let's do this and apply. Now, if you see, that changed this, and I'm pretty sure it got more transparency. Now, let me put it back to what I like. You can always put it back to Windows if that's what you liked. Computer's gonna freeze because I'm doing this so much. Open, I think it did. Okay, you okay? So here we go. We're back to the original. So I'm gonna put it back at this, and then you can. I'm gonna wait for it a second. You can change its taskbar, so you can make it look like the original with the line on the bottom, and when you open the program, it just looks like that. You can have it. This is my personal preference because it looks more like Windows 7. And then you can have this, which I guess gets rid of the, like, whatever they call this, I forget, the show desktop. But I'm going to put it back to this because this is what I like. It looks more like Windows 7. But then you can change its icon. Change it back to the normal 7, or you can have that mixture of both. And then you can also add your own preference. You click this button, you do this, and then you would add your, so like this, open, which really is basically the same thing. That was with my old program with Shell something. I used that for a long time, but I found something better. But you have to pay for this. This is what I didn't like about the Open Shell was you had to. It didn't change this as good as this program does, and then it's the same features. Just this looks a little different. We can go in here. We can change it more. See if I'm missing anything in here first. You can customize it so you can get this cool look. So here, let me apply. So you can see it looks open, but when you open a program, it's there. Actually, I undid that because I didn't like that. And then you can change here. If you click that, use custom taskbar coloring. You can change it to clear as we wait. then there's these other things: acrylic, acrylic plus, blur. I'm gonna leave it on blur. You can change this taskbar icon size. Actually, I think I might bump that up one. Never mind. That just looks more ugly. Here is your use large icons, so that would be these icons getting bigger. Just display frequently used modern apps. Oh, what's this? No, go away. So that would be the this, where it's not your, or it adds its own frequently used. Display start screen. This is what Ion did. Basically what it does when we wait. There it is. So what this would do is you click this, you can go to your original. Come on. There it goes. I guess it was slow. So yeah, you can do that. But then you can't click the, I think it was like Control Plus, you could click 2. But yeah, if you press the window button, it opens this. But if you hit Control window, whatever the start button, I don't know what it's called, on the keyboard, it'll open this. So I'm going to undo that because I do not like that. All programs, use large icons, display modern apps, app folders, or all programs, display folders before icons. That's where if you go to your apps, it displays the folders here and then all of that. So then we got general, highlight newly installed programs. I think like that turns orange or something. It turns orange down here. Opens. Okay, so that's general. This is all self-explanatory. You put how you want it. Now these are these. So like for example, new user. Let's see, where is that? Pretty sure that's at the top. Well, let's do one that I know. Oh, stop opening things. So like settings, we can make it a menu. If we open settings, oh I gotta hit apply first. So now it's, whoa, okay, that's a lot. But now it's like this. Alright, I'm gonna, or you can just have it where it just doesn't show it at all. But we're gonna go back to link. And so now number of recent programs displayed. I'm pretty sure that's what this is. Set to follow this. You can customize this. So if I want to, I could have that set to restart. And then there it is. Shut down. I want to put that back to how I like it. And switching. All these other things. These two were basically the main highlights. These are other things. And then that's basically it for this program. I really like this, but sadly the second program kind of overlaps it and takes out the like magnifying looking thing where it's this border, takes it out and it puts it back to the Windows 10 style. But it changes a lot of other things that I most likely am willing to sacrifice. So yeah. Alright, we are back on my other computer because this is the computer that has my second program already installed. Now the audio might be different because I could not get it to hook up to my microphone. But alright, besides that, this is going to be like a half because I never got to work on my computer, but apparently other people's got it. But the reason it didn't work is because my version. So if we go to this and go to Winver, you can see we have build 20H2 and the build that it supports are these two. But other than that, this is called Aero for Windows 8, but it also works for Windows 10, as you can see. So what you would do for if you could get to work and you did have these versions, because I don't have mine, is apparently it's too new and they haven't updated this, but how you'd find it, your version, you just click the Windows key and R, you type WinVer, and then you would look by Microsoft Windows, and under that version, H20H2 build 1000. Wait, no, 19,042. Wait, the other numbers. But so you would want this. So that's what you would look for, and as you can see, ours is too new. It only supports that. But if you were doing it, you would click these, and then you would also click this so you can modify the testing version of GUI application to modify Aero glass. So that's what you'd use to detail it, make it how you want it. So, but I never got to work for me, but apparently everybody else has, or other people who have that version. Alright, but our second one that we're going to look for is this, Stardock, Windows Blinds. Now, again, this is another paid one, but this one's a little more. It's $10. Nope, it's $30. But that's for the object desktop, for the pro version. If you just want the Windows Blind version, it'd be $10. But again, we did the free trial because I'm still testing it. So you click that, it would download it down here like Chrome. And when we do that, this will pop up. You install it like normal. This is what it'll show. I did the 30 days trial thing. Oh, that had a really big lag. So this is the theme you'll get right now. This is what it'll look like for, and as you can see, it has that animation. So let's go back to what everyone will see. Da 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 da. Uh-oh. I couldn't see what that said, but maybe I shouldn't have done that. Oh, the line has stopped working. Let's close the program. Let's try that one more time. Well, it did work. So this is what it'll see. As you can see, it's solid white. If we go to like our file explorer, solid white. We run WinVer, solid white. And here is where you can customize everything. So let's go to, like, here's an exotic one that I know that you can change it. So you just click are you ready to switch this one? This is so it won't work on Google or Edge, but it at least works with other programs, like on the computer programs like File Explorer. So as you can see, it changes these. These all work. So, I didn't mean to close that. So, let me open that back up. As you can see, it messes around with this. I do have that program on the other computer. I do have that, but it messes it up. But you'll still get this stuff, and then you can still make that look like that. So they both kind of work, but they don't work with each other. I mean, I think I've tried to get this taskbar to work. It still doesn't show. So you can see, yeah. So I can't get that, and then I'm pretty sure you can't change the blurriness. Or you might be able to. What's this set to blur? And so, sadly, the desktop part, the taskbar part might get overlapped, but at least this won't get messed up. Well, it might by the colors. And I'm pretty sure I have dark mode on. So, yeah. So, let me go back to this. So, at least this won't get affected. Now, it looks ugly. So, if I didn't have this program running, and I only have this program running, well, you'd see these colors or this taskbar would look like this. But since, oh, hey, I got this to work. Kinda. But, so, since that's what you can do, you can change other things, but, what we're going to use is, here's another one, like, that's Windows 8 theme. This is what I like. It's a little small. If we apply to desktop, And as we wait again, hopefully it won't take as long to add. Oh, why didn't these change? Oh, there it goes. And it saved my current settings. So you'll have to, this ain't how it's going to start out when you apply it for the first time. You'll have to go to the modify it. Like as you can see, I changed all these. So you'll have to modify it how you like it. This is looks the closest that you could get. So, like, here, I'll show you what I have it to look closest to Vista in 7. It looks more like Vista because I remember Vistas, these things are a whole lot smaller, and Windows 10 are more bigger, kind of like the Win 8 one that I highlighted. So this is the settings that you would use for if you want to get closest to looking. Textures and fonts I didn't mess with. So that's what I got, and so it works with most apps. If I open my file explorer, you can see it's working with it. It will not work with Edge. As you can see, it tries to work with it, so if you see that blue highlight, and then it looks like it only shows on this, so it tries to work, but it just doesn't. This works for Google. This happens on Google and Edge. At least those I can confirm that doesn't work with. I haven't tried Firefox or any of those others because I don't have that on my computer. But, so, let me open settings because I knew I could get settings to work. As you can see, it's kind of like that. Here's settings. But if we open like other apps, like if we open, where's Play Store? If we open Play Store, oh, it's working too. I never got to work with it last time. How about, oh, let's not open that. That will have to close. Oh, that's Pandora, that's why. Like as you can see, it doesn't work with Groovy Music, or whatever this app's called. Yep, Groove Music. Oh, also, something that I never, got to show on the first computer was, oh, never mind, it didn't carry over. Never mind. I'll have to show you on the other computer. But, yeah. And then wallpapers. These are what's already loaded on the computer. Like, these are the Dell ones. Here are race cars that came with my computer. And then, here's more of the settings. I remember there's a way how you can add themes. But, I'm going to search that up real fast. Okay. Visit that. Let me click it. Alright, it's going to take us to this. Now some you have to pay for. That's $10. Oh, and here's like a Windows 98 version looking like. I like that. Sure you can find XP, or if you have a certain goal and you download that. So let's download. This is my first time trying this too, so hopefully there's nothing comes up that I need to hide. Blur out. Oh, there it goes. Scanning for viruses. Oh, yeah, alright. Let's see here. Download more styles. I'm assuming you'll all automatically detect it. I guess let's open. Does this automatically find it? Oh, I saw there's one more added. Here it is. Let me apply that and let's see how it'll turn out. And as you can see, the please waits or the loading symbols, they change vary on the task. Alright, this probably needs a refresh. Let me get out of it. See, it's kind of Windows 90. As you can see, the taskbar. Yeah, Windows 10 or dark. Nah. But yeah, what's this? What does this do? Oh, I guess it makes it like a small window. That's cool. I guess. I don't know. I guess it'll still work like that. Alright, that's cool. Hopefully my microphone's getting this because it's a little far away. But let's go back to the 7 things. As you can see, these are a little bigger than, where is it? These, so these kind of look close enough, and I remember as we wait again. As you can see, these are little. I think Vistas was closer in Windows 10, 7 wasn't. But yeah, we're back to this theme. I guess we got the window border again, just a little smaller. So yeah, let's see if there's any other cool themes. Is there like a next page up? Alright, I guess these are some other cool ones. Actually, hang on, let me go to properties. There was another cool thing. Where was it? Taskbar. I guess here, wait, let me see if I can find that. I gotta remember if it's this thing. Yeah, something, oh, no, we gotta go to appearances, customize, center all the icons. So here's what the other two does, so going kind of appley. So as you can see, it works with the, whatever this is, it works with it. Just not as good as I hoped it would. So yeah, actually I just noticed this when I turn this on. Oh, I guess it does stay there. I thought it went away. There's probably background noise because yes, I am in a basement. That's where I find it to be the quietest. Yeah. So this is at least what I found. I know there's so many other ways, like changing the trash icon. Actually, I haven't done that. So, oh, what happened? Oh. So, yeah. These are at least my 2.5 things that I found. Now, with these, I never really figured out, let's see, okay, that's the blinds. Customize Windows cursor or create your own. Easily create or add styles of Windows 10. Customize your audio experience by applying audio packs. Automatically organize your desktop shortcut icons with events. Start 10. The first Windows Start menu alternative. Personalize your desktop background with animated pictures and videos. Okay. Create multiple PCs with one keyboard and mouse. I might look into that. Change all the Windows icons at once with customized icon package. Create multiple desktops. Oh, you can create multiple desktops. That's with the, whatchamacallit? Is it tab or something? New desktop. There it goes. Let's do that. Looks like nothing's opened. I don't know why you have to pay for this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8, 12. So I guess you get 12 for 30 and 1 for 10. You get 30-day support. Apparently language including English. So apparently that's the best deal. Well, it is 50, so 12. That would be a good deal. So yeah, this is at least what I found. I hope you would like it, and I'm sure there's multiple other alternatives, but these are what I found. Alright.